How to recover TikTok account without two-step verification. Having trouble logging into your TikTok account but don't have access to the email or phone number you signed up with? Don't worry, we're here to help. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your TikTok account. Now let's get started. To recover your TikTok account without having access to your phone number or email, go to the login screen on the TikTok app and tap the question mark icon in the top right corner. Select Recover Your Account. Type in your username and tap Search. Then tap Need More Help. You'll then be taken to a chat with TikTok Help Desk, which will put you in touch with TikTok support team. Type in a message letting them know that you're not able to log into your account and require assistance. You should include the username for the account you're trying to recover, as well as an email address where you can be reached for further assistance. TikTok's team should get back to you as soon as they can and help you with getting back into your account. That's all it takes to recover a TikTok account without access to your phone number or email. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified, as we put out great new tech tutorials like this on a regular basis.